Meaning of discover.
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 Discover. The word discover means to find, uncover, or reveal something that was previously unknown or concealed. It could refer to a new place, object, idea, or knowledge. When someone discovers something, it results in a significant change of understanding or awareness. For example, the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus in 1492 led to the colonization of the New World and transformed the course of history. Discoveries can also be scientific, cultural, or personal, and can have profound impacts on individuals, societies, and the world as a whole.